This is JustHireMe, an open-source desktop workbench for the part of job search that usually feels like punishment. The source post says the goal is simple: better signal, more explanation, and more local control. In the first screenshots, you can already see the shape of the product: a dashboard for leads, a profile graph, a package view for tailored resumes and outreach, and a GitHub repo that is now public. The interesting thing is not that it says AI. Everyone says AI. The interesting thing is that it is trying to make the job hunt less blind, less spammy, and less dependent on somebody else's cloud. The pain point is easy to understand. Candidates spend hours scrolling through stale posts, repeated listings, thin job descriptions, senior-only roles, and random spam dressed up as opportunity. Then most AI job tools go too far in the other direction. They scrape everything, rank opportunities like a black box, or try to automate applications before the user has any reason to trust the result. JustHireMe is pitched against that pattern. It is not trying to blindly apply everywhere. The source describes it as a personal job intelligence workbench. Find better leads, filter the junk, explain why a role fits, and keep the person in the loop before anything gets sent. The GitHub repo makes the status clear. This is alpha software, not a polished one-click consumer product yet. But it is a real project with a front-end workbench, a Python sidecar API, docs, source adapter guidance, and a public contribution path. The README describes the supported open-source scope as scraping roles, ranking fit, vector matching, customizer workflows, and local CRM-style lead tracking. The local preview loads as a desktop-style app with a customized screen where you paste a job URL or job description, then analyze fit and generate material. That is the day one workflow. Bring in a role, compare it against your profile, then produce an application package you can actually review. The architecture is the part that makes the local first claim believable. The repo uses a Tauri desktop shell, a React and TypeScript frontend, and a Python fast API backend sidecar. The data layer is local by design: SQLite for leads and settings, Kazoo for the profile graph, LanceDB for vectors, and local files for generated documents. That matters because job search data is extremely personal. Your resume, career history, application notes, generated documents, job leads, and API keys are not random telemetry. They describe your career and your options. The project still supports optional model and automation pieces, but the shape is not cloud SaaS first. It is a local workbench with AI workflows attached. The best product idea here is the quality gate. A lot of job tools act like more leads automatically means more opportunity. Usually it just means more cleanup. JustHireMe's docs define normalized source adapters and a lead quality gate before saving rows into the pipeline. Missing URLs, thin scraped content, stale posts, senior-only roles, spammy listings, missing company context, and low-trust sources can be rejected or downranked. Then fit ranking can combine deterministic rules, source signal, seniority constraints, project evidence, semantic matching, and optional LLM reasoning. That is a better promise than raw automation. Do not just scrape more. Show fewer, better, explainable jobs. The screenshots show how that turns into a real workflow. In the application package view, a role has a match score, generated resume and cover letter controls, project evidence, keyword coverage, match reasoning, and outreach drafts. The profile screen shows a candidate evidence map with skills, experience, projects, and graph signal. The knowledge view turns that into a topology: candidates, skills, experience, projects, and job leads. That is the practical difference between a keyword matcher and a workbench. A keyword matcher says, "This job looks close." A workbench should say which skills matched, which projects support the application, what gaps remain, why the role deserves attention, and what the user should highlight before applying. The honest caveat is that JustHireMe is still alpha. The README says the repository is public, hackable, and ready for source adapter, ranking, docs, and Windows packaging contributions, but not finished consumer software. Browser automation and auto-apply code exists, but it is described as experimental and disabled by default. That is the right way to frame it. The core open source promise should stay narrower: better sources, stronger filters, explainable fit, local profile context, and tailored material you can review. If you want to contribute, The useful lanes are source adapters, parser fixtures, ranking tests, vector matching visibility, UI polish, and packaging. The repo is linked in the description.